Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this most popular language learner platform, which is Duolingo. So let's quickly dive into the review. Duolingo is super popular and good for reasons. It makes learning a new language easy and accessible. You can start for free on your phone, do fun bite-sized lessons and practice daily with reminders and streak. It's great for beginners. Vocabulary drills, basic grammars, and reading practice are all wrapped in a game-like flow, and that keeps things light and motivating. The free plan lowers the barrier, so almost anyone can give it a try. That said, Duolingo has limitation that becomes obvious. So once you move beyond basic, it tends to teach isolated vocabulary or sentence that really match real life conversation, and it doesn't give much feedback on pronunciation or how language are used naturally, and its grammar lessons are often shallow or oversimplified. Many learners find that Duolingo alone isn't enough to reach your fluency level, so you will need extra practice like listening to native speakers or real conversation to build speaking and comprehension skills. So in my opinion, I actually think Duolingo is a solid entry point if you are new to language or you want quick casual practice. But if your goal is real conversation with fluency, treat it as just the first stepping stone. You will need additional resources or real world practice to get there, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification and make sure you subscribe for more review.